it should look when you put the freaking water.
Where am I gonna put my egg?
Guys, I almost died.
Hi dollies, I'm back with another bulldog noodle series. Do you guys hate it when you get ready for something, like to go out, but like there's stuff everywhere? I'm just gonna eat bulldog noodles again because why not? So let's get started. I got this on. Oh, like put me in the frame and like show this part, you know. Now that's cooking. I grab my eggs.
This kitchen's so ugly. Okay, we're gonna analyze her makeup, okay?
Okay.
Look, okay, we like the headpiece. Thank you. Uh-huh.
Don't look at the back.
Let's rate it out 1 out of 10 in the comment section.
Wait, where am I gonna put my egg? Come, look at me. Come. Okay guys, it's boiling. I put it all the way up. This product is too freaking good.
She was a fairy.
Like my lid's about to fall off.
Wait, that would be funny. Also, we should have cleaned the kitchen before we did this.
The Gadu power. Okay, I need to stop.
She said this is a ghetto.
Put on me. Like the food is not pretty. I am.
It kind of is more prettier than you.
Zoom in my face. Okay, then you have to open this for me. She opened it so bad, y'all.
Hey, I wish I could open it.
She's very demure.
Okay, let's focus on food. So ugly right now.
My back hurts. Let me stretch before I do anything. Focus. If it ain't hot, I don't want it. Good thing there's mostly girls watching that. If there's a man, get out. I do not want you here. Once it looks soggy-ish, I know some of y'all don't like soggy noodles, but I don't give a fuck. Did you see that? When my bottom was just connected to my top. Dude, look at that Asian girl. Been through it.
We microwaved it. Flip pop. Yeah.
Hey.
And that's how it should look when you pour out the freaking water.
Yeah. Look at all that water on the table, though. Once I put the pepper jack cheese in there, I let it cook for a little bit. I put 2 slices, by the way. Sponsor me, bulldog.
Right, this is like our second video.
For real, like, Whenever I used to put like a quarter in here, but now I put everything because I'm not close. Just beautiful. Guys, look at that. Look at that creaminess. That cheese stretch. Should I make 1 roll of bouncy food? Like, roll it up in there?
Spring rolls? Should you say bouncy food?
I mean, yeah, spring rice. Spring rice? Rice paper? Should I do that?
I think the small one, this is way too big.
This is how you know I'm Vietnamese. I'm not Asian fishing, y'all.
Spring rolls. And make spring rolls, this is the best one.
Oh, she's dipping it. It's diabolical.
She's too lazy to get a bowl. It makes sounds.
It's not even spread, it's separated. It's just stuck. Look guys, it's stuck to each other. There you go. When I eat the spring rolls, It makes me so full quicker.
Oh, do not touch. I claim this soda, please. Thank you, Tim. Tim is our brother, and he drinks a lot of soda. She has to claim sodas. You guys, look.
Guys, if you're here, it stinks like shit. So now we're in my room. Don't eat in your room, guys, because that's not... I'm gonna pull up my K-drama that I'm currently watching on my cute tablet. I'm watching Love Next Door currently. My sister keeps doing Duolingo. So good. The spring roll. I can't, the seaweed is all like wet now. I like it when it's crunchy. Guys, I almost died. God. I chewed way too quick. Oh yeah, I forgot to do thumbnail. The cheese is now dry. Okay, I just deleted so much stuff off my phone just to record this freaking video for you guys. That's how much I love y'all. Now we're back at the dry ass noodles. You guys, for some reason, like the eating videos, which I don't get, but thanks, I guess. And I'm sorry, I choked so bad. It literally hurts so bad right now. It's the egg.
너무 잘하지 말 걸 그랬어.
I love this girl. He's not like those bitchy ass second lead characters. Oh my god, he's so fine. I need him so bad. I'm so clumsy, it's so annoying. I didn't make the mistake like last time, I just kept it in here. Last time I just threw it in. Okay, so I'm stupid actually because I put the seaweed in there and now it's all like melted. Now it's not going to taste good. I'm just going to break the eggs.
결국 이렇게 되는구나. 사람들이 만들어봤는데 친구가 될 수 없다고 하더라고. 남지 못하고.
No, they always make the male and the female like friends, but they end up getting together. Like men and women can't be friends.
근데 웅크리고 있으면 네가 항상 날 밝은 곳으로 데려다줬어. 그런 사람이라서 나도 믿지.
Why is the door open?
그때 레스토랑에서 만났던 남자 그게 막간이
Coca-Cola. I prefer Pepsi.
섹시한 어린 남자.
진짜 통장이 바뀐 거 없다.
세상이 불안하구나. 할
그거 비즈니스 파트너로서 염려가 돼서 하는 말이야.
그가마에서 박사를 막
I don't know why I do this, like,
맞아.
make videos. It just overwhelms me. My brain can't handle it. She got mad, she walked away.
오늘 저녁에 시간 돼?
I made the eggs so good today. Now the last bite, I think.
요리하고 저희 쿠킹클래스 준비하고
I haven't really ate all day, so this is literally the best thing. Stay hydrated. Now it's empty fully. My lipstick came off. I have to reapply it.
동준이가 할 말 있다고 그래서 보자고 해가지고.
This is a small tutorial on how I do my lips, my pale lips, since I don't have like the shade of it. Okay, I use the kimchi, oh, it's called kimchi cheek? What the fuck? Kimchi chic, the white one. So I just blend it with my lips. Oh my god, I look crazy. Then I grab my Daisy lavender cream and just apply it. This dries pretty quick, so mix your lips quick. It looks so bad. Then voila, you got the lips. I know some people hate this look, like this lipstick color, but I really don't care. It's literally so cute. Anyways, that's it for the vlog. And if you guys still want more of this, then just comment down below. Bye!